Hello, welcome to the Unlisted Zone app available on Play Store. How to register in the application via email ID. Open the app. Click Register. Enter your first name, last name, email address, password and confirm password. Click Sign Up once you entered all your details. How to complete your KYC. On the dashboard, click on Complete your KYC to continue. Enter your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, upload PAN card and upload CMR copy. How to buy unlisted shares. On the dashboard, click on Buy. Search for the shares. Select the shares. Click on Buy. Enter shares quantity. Enter related message. Click on Place Order. How to sell unlisted shares. On the dashboard, click on Sell. Search for the shares. Select the shares. Click on Sell. Enter shares quantity. Enter related message. Click on Place Order. View hot rated shares on the platform. Go to Dashboard. Click on See More in front of the hot shares. How to check portfolio and add external stock. Go to Dashboard. Click on Portfolio in the Quick Access tab. Here you can see your portfolio. Click on Add External Stock. Enter the name of the share. Enter share quantity. Enter price per share. Enter the date of purchase. Once you added all the details, then click Add. How to check live prices of unlisted shares and charts view by 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year and 5 years. Go to Dashboard. Click on Check Prices at the bottom. Select or search for the stock. Click on 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years chart respectively to see the prices graph. How to check live videos of unlisted space. Go to Dashboard. Click on See More in the Videos section. Select the video you want to watch. How to reach the customer support team. Go to Dashboard. Click on Chat at the bottom. Here you will find all the WhatsApp numbers you can connect to for support. We hope you are satisfied with the tutorial of the app. Download the app from the Play Store.